Morning, guys. Magandang umaga from the beauty of this bukid. Breakfast muna tayo, guys. Let's go. Ito lang nakapark si Harvey. Malapit sa kanilang information desk. And si Harvey. So, let's eat. Done breakfast, guys. Puntahan namin saglit yung pool. Tingnan namin kung pwede bang maligo. Kasi may pool to eh. Ito yung ano, guys, nakikita natin sa terrace natin. Or sa terrace namin, guys. Ayan o. Sapa. Oh, it's accessed by a card. Let's try the card, guys. Oh, mag-o-open siya. There you go. Yan yung pool, guys. 5 feet. Pinakamalalim. And guys, nakapag-swimwear na tayo. And solo natin yung pool ngayon. Nagmamadali ako, guys, kasi 9 o'clock na and baka magising na yung iba. Ayan yung gamit natin, o diba? Solo natin yung pool. Maraming mga dumadaan na sasakyan pero kebeer. Wala silang pakialam dito, guys. Then may nagja-jogging and nag-walking din. Yan, kita nyo yan si ante. Pakita ko sa inyo really quick, guys, yung mga katabi ng aming pinagstayan. Maraming mga ano, guys, ibang inn din. Pero sabi ng husband ko, yan yung pinakamura dito na area. And then kita nyo yung sa taas. Yan, guys. Ano din yan? Inn. So, malapit ito, guys. And usually yung mga inn dito may mga pool. Nakita nyo naman sa mga previous vlog. So, maganda talaga dito pag summer. And by the way, guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, enjoy lang natin kasi bukas work na naman.
A few moments later.
Checking out, guys. So, yung shirt ko sa Walmart lang to, $1. Tapos, binali ko lang yung skirt ko from day 1 Napapunta pa kami dito. From Bangkok din to guys. Mura lang. Bye-bye room. Yan. Chinek na din namin lahat. Make sure na walang naiwan. Let's go!
Your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, darker spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie dream girl right beside me, and she said she liked me, but I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt she'd ever leave my head. Oh, could I have done, could I have said, I'll never know, I'll never know. It's true sometimes opposites attract, but it never lasts. So maybe it was just the right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt she'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said, I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know. You made a country club pool feel like Malibu Beach. Sure, your parents had money, but you like to drink cheap. Should've known the first moment you're out of my league, but you said you liked me. Oh, I bet it was a right thing lining up at the wrong time. And I think maybe if I'd held on tight, she'd still be sitting by my side. I'll never know, I'll never know. I don't like messing with regrets, but I doubt she'd ever leave my head. What could I have done, could I have said, I'll never know, I'll never know. Oh, I'll never know, I'll never know.
Since madadaanan naman namin at umuulan, punta tayo dyan. Pinupuntahan talaga to ng mga tao. Isa to sa mga branch nila. Hindi lahat ng state meron yan eh. Papasok na tayo. Intriga talaga ako dito. Pupuntahan ko ng mga tao. Ganyan, daming tao guys. Daming tao guys. Teka lang, hanapin ko muna yung restroom. Off ko muna to guys. Restroom muna tayo. Guys, dinig nyo ba ako? Hindi pa ako naka microphone. Daming tao. Kita nyo ba? Daming tao guys. So, bibili kami dito ng food kasi 12 o'clock na. Actually, 1 o'clock na guys. Dito na kami magla-lunch or bibili ng lunch. Sa sasakyan na kami kakain. And then, magdadrive na tayo ng mga 4.5 hours pabalik sa Louis. Let's go. Yan na yung isa sa likod. Taas yung pila sa CR. Let's go. Lakad-lakad lang tayo guys. Tingnan natin anong meron dito. Bakit sikat? Yan guys, oh, may benta silang mga ganito. Tumblers. Nakita ko to sa isang naka-check-in kanina nung nag-breakfast kami. Mga 28 minutes away lang to doon sa Gatlinburg. And on the way naman to pa balik. So, tamang-tama lang yung stop kami dito before umuwi, diba? Then, bili na din ng food for lunch. Let's go! Sobrang init dito sa loob. Hindi na ako masyado nagsasalita. Look at this guys. Sarap. Kakatakam. $2. May $3. I think it's per slice. Yeah, per slice siya. Kakaganito na. Yeah, try siguro namin. Ay, meron din silang ganito. Isang box na. Yan o. You wanna try? Try natin to guys. Coconut cup pie. Mukhang masarap. $3.99 lang. Yun kasing parang brownie nila is $15 per box. Tapos baka hindi namin maubos. One. Ito yung gawaan nila guys. Dito na tayo guys. Bibili na tayo ng food natin for lunch. Hindi pa namin alam yung gusto namin i-try. Ayan yung ano nila. Mabenta nila dyan. May salad din sila guys. Nakapasok. Daming tao talaga guys. We're getting this guys. Tara, makita pa ka. Try natin to guys. Just one? Bili siya ng Monster drink. Hindi nga ako pagdadrive eh. Ayan, kuha lang siyang isa. Dami talagang tao. Meron din silang mga ganito dito guys. Mga toiletries, lagayan ng makeup. $24. Candle. Hindi sila mga ganito guys. Coaster, $7.99 or $7.98 pala. Mga gamit din dito. Mga banyo. Baby stuff. Cute. Tayo sa sasakyan guys. $33 lahat yung nabayaran. 3.3, not bad. Hindi naman kami overboard na bumili talaga kasi yung binili lang namin yung boxes talaga ng mga brand ng food and snacks. So kain muna kami guys and then mag-drive ulit.